Apparently the storm wasn't that big of a storm as we thought.
It finished like 10 minutes after we...
Not even, it was like 6 minutes.
Yeah, and we did overestimate quite a lot.
A little bit too much because apparently
our storm...
Look at little frog!
Ah, I jumped away.
Okay, anyway, apparently it filled up not even a cup of water.
Yeah, that's not even... You can't even see it on the side, like...
Okay, this was Larissa's guess.
All the way up there, 3 quarts.
And this was Melissa's guess.
And then this is where it actually was. So, yeah, we were way off. So, I guess neither of us. Actually, you won because you were closer. So, you get a high five.
Okay.
Ah!
That is about 3 quarts.
We won! We won!